This is our 5-star staycation in Saigon. So today we're off for a nice bougie staycation overnight at a local hotel resort called Mia, just by the river. So excited, looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's going to be really lovely. It's 5-star apparently. There's a pool and a gym and all that good stuff. So we'll take you on a room tour, of course.
Yep, so we're just about to get on the way. Only 20 minutes to get there, so let's go.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah?
Only had to drive about 15 minutes away from where we live in Thao Dien, come right by the river. We just parked up, and here we are at Mia.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Got a little welcome drink. What's in this?
Passion fruit and dragon fruit.
Yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Even better because it's free.
We just checked in, did all that stuff. We had to put 2 million deposit, which is about 70 quid or $100. And he's just gone to get our room key. The rooftop bar's open, spa, pool, everything. So I think we'll go dump our bags and settle in a bit and then go exploring.
Yeah, I think definitely I want to jump in that pool. It looks really lovely, right on the riverbank, isn't it? So yeah, so exciting.
Yeah, a little staycation.
So everyone who's staying here is super bougie.
Like us. Get on down.
I really will.
Get on down. 706. You want to go in?
Welcome. Oh, bathtub.
Very nice. Look at that view. Little open plan.
Oh, coffee machine again.
Try and work out how to use it.
Yeah.
We're gonna rave out on the balcony with some music that will be muted for copyright.
Keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by,
Come down to check out the pool.
So far, don't be afraid, cause if it all goes wrong, you forget all your lines, you miss every note. I'm cheering anyway, whenever you're down, you're never alone. When nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway, if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row. Nothing goes right, let it all go. I'll love you anyway, if no one turns up when the lights go low. I'll be here in the front row. Let's go to the West Coast. Don't let the fire in you grow cold. When I'm with you, there's no way we can go. Oh, no.
Snack time.
Got some calamari poolside. Well, that was a very nice chill by the pool. Had a little calamari and a dip earlier. Sun's going down a bit. I think we'll go back to the room. I'm a bit sleepy. Might have a little coffee in the room and go up to the rooftop or something for sunset.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Oops. Ugh, coffee.
I love coffee, just not this coffee. And here we have a Lewis in his natural habitat. Are you enjoying staycation so far?
It's really nice. Had a nice dip in the pool. Now we're just drinking the coffee. It's a beautiful sunset outside on the balcony, so it's been really nice.
Yeah, what's the plan for later?
I think we got maybe half an hour until the sun sets properly. We might go check out the rooftop, maybe to just watch the sunset, and then we'll maybe get a quick workout in before we go out for dinner.
Yeah.
Traditional cyclo. And a punch workout. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hit it. Hit it. Pretend it's me. So we just came down to the basement to check out the gym. I'm a bit tired, so only going to do a little bit of a workout for today. The gym looks alright. Nice and cool. Got a few machines and they got some free weights, punch bag and some gym machines. They will just do a quick workout, work up an appetite before we go for dinner. Was it a good workout?
Yeah, it was okay, thanks. It's very cold in here, we made it freezing.
Nice and cold. I think I'm just going to do my warm down run and then we're good to go. Good job. Ooh. Well, we're all cleaned up, had a little rest after our gym session and feeling a bit hungry, than you?
Yeah, feeling a bit peckish, so good job we booked somewhere for dinner tonight. We're going to an Italian restaurant we've never been to before called Ciao Bella. So it's only in Thao Dien, which is where we live, so it's not too far away.
Yeah, let's go check out a new restaurant. I'm hungry.
We'll take you with us.
Let's go. Good job we reserved the table.
Don't think they could have squeezed us in, to be honest.
Yeah, I know, tight fit. We can have our pick of tables.
We chose the one in the corner, very cosy, and we've got some bread and
a starter, balsam with vinegar.
bowl full of just garlic.
The garlic bowl. Yours arrived. What did you get?
I got ravioli with sun-dried tomatoes and feta cheese and like a tomato-based sauce with lots of parmesan.
Yeah, rated a fair bit on. Yummy.
Yeah, looks really good. And check out the drink combo. You'll know this if you're a subscriber. Sprite, watermelon juice.
I got my big pizza here. Went for the salami pizza. A bit of grated parmesan on top. So let's tuck it.
We will enjoy.
A rather flat chocolate cake.
On the house, complimentary because the cake had a problem or something. So yeah, we got it for free.
Nice.
Love that.
Tuck in. I got some my leftover slices for later.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy dessert. Well, that was a lovely meal, right?
Yeah, we just finished up at Ciao Bella, and what did you think?
Yeah, I thought it was nice. The pizza was a bit different. It was very generously cheesy, which was really nice. But the crust was quite hard. The crust, yeah, very crunchy. But yeah, overall it was really nice.
Yeah, I liked it. I mean, my pasta was really saucy, really yummy. Just a ravioli. And yeah, we got that free dessert, like we mentioned, which was very kind of them. I mean, to be honest, like it did take a while, I'd say. We were probably waiting for around maybe 20, maybe even longer minutes.
Yeah.
And it was a bit, I don't know.
It came out a bit pancakey, didn't
Yeah, it wasn't the best cake we've ever had. But I mean, it was nice that they were very complimentary.
Yeah, they were good about it, and the price was just over 500k for everything that we got with the free dessert, but that's very reasonable, I think. We will go back there, I think.
Yeah, definitely, and that included service charge as well, so that was fab.
Yeah.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. Definitely check it out if you're in Thao Dien.
Yep. So time to head back to the resort. Think we might have a little wander around the ground, see what it's like before we head back up to the room. So let's go. I'm an intruder in your room.
Back home.
Breakfast time. Kitchen by the river.
I remember when I thought the only lonely place was at the top, switching up your head like every week. I hope you never change your mind about me, 'cause listen girl, I choose you. Time and time again.
Maybe I'm gonna take, shall I take some pastries for us to share?
Pizza station.
Ooh, yummy.
I'm all for you. Run away before I love you. I know you're nothing but trouble. Run away, run away.
What are you having to start?
Sourdough toast, brie, smoked salmon, and I picked up a Bordeaux, and some pastries with banana jam and dragon fruit jam.
Yeah, that's quite interesting.
Never had.
Let's try it.
What have you got yourself there?
A little mushroom omelette and a very small side plate of meats and cheese.
Hopefully get some more later. And what?
Your French toast.
Yeah, French toast should be yummy. A French toast.
French toast, maple syrup, raspberries, strawberries, some whipped cream.
And this.
A little fruit platter.
I don't know what this is.
I think it's the banana.
Maybe the banana jam.
Yeah, banana jam.
All for you. Run away before I love you. I know you're nothing but trouble. Run away. I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say
Trying not to drown.
nothing at all. I'm set up a TV and I like you to be with me. We could laugh about.
So we've actually already just checked out of our room. The final price was around 3.5 million dong, which is around $150 for the night, but we decided to stay in the pool area. We've just got our bags with us so we can enjoy some more sun and lounge around the pool for a bit longer. It's really nice. So that was our staycation here at Mia Saigon. We had a really nice time. I think it's a great place to do a staycation, especially if you're in Thao Dien or in District 2, super local, don't have to travel very far. Did you enjoy it? You like it?
Yeah, it's lovely. It's right on the river, so it's a bit like An Lam, but in the city. So make sure you check out that video last year if you want to know more about An Lam retreats.
So the price, like I said, it was 3.5 million. So it's a bit pricey, but really good for a special occasion, a birthday, Christmas, New Year, like we're doing it. And I think you get your money's worth. We had good breakfast, they got
Yeah.
beautiful facilities. We stayed a couple of hours after our checkout so we can use the pool and lounge in the sun, so really nice.
Yeah, it's been so lovely and really relaxing. We definitely recommend, and we were blessed with really nice weather. It was super sunny towards the end. Yesterday was a little cloudy, but today was lovely.
So overall that was really nice. Time for us to finish up this vlog and to
Yeah.
head home now. Like Emma said, if you want to check out An Lam retreats from this time last year, card will be up there and Vietnam playlist down there. So thanks for watching, take care, stay safe.
See you next time. Give it a thumbs up.
See you next time. Bye bye.